Nautica in pills, is it useful or not? And when is the stern thruster useful? Let's go see it on the boat. We're on a trawler 37 equipped with a single shaft-driven engine. Right now, Eves, who's at the helm, is operating the stern thruster specifically to move the stern to the side. If we didn't have the stern thruster, maneuvering would be much more complicated and not all maneuvers would be possible. On the other hand, with both stern and bow thrusters, he can choose whether to move one side first, then the other, and keep straightening the boat as needed. Thank you. In this way, in fact, the boat has docked perfectly using the controls as he is constantly adjusting, shifting forward and backward to achieve a perfect approach. And thanks to the two buttons for the stern and bow thrusters, he can adjust the docking in every possible way. If the question is whether the stern thruster is necessary, the answer is no, absolutely not. Of course, it is an enormous convenience for difficult maneuvers as well as for some maneuvers that are practically impossible without a stern thruster. Provided, of course, that we're talking about a boat with a single engine and a single propeller. So in the presence of, say, a joystick, pods, engines, even on boats, very large ones too. On large boats, having a stern thruster is absolutely not necessary. Having a stern thruster is absolutely not necessary, although it certainly does help you make further corrections. In these cases, the joysticks come into play, but the mass of the boat is so great that even the engines themselves struggle to move it. The mass of the boat is so large that even the engines themselves have a hard time moving it. This way I always give it, how can I say, the necessary thrust to optimize the angle at which I want to enter the harbor. So do you have to have it? No. It's better to have it, but it depends on you. It depends on how much effort you want to put in, so it's possible to make either choice without ever making a mistake. It's better to have it, but it depends on you. It depends on how much effort you want to put in, so you can go either way without ever being wrong. I hope you enjoyed this little tip as well about the bow and stern fairlead. If you don't want to miss any of our Nautica in Pilol episodes, all you have to do is subscribe right here to this channel. If you don't want to miss any of our Nautica in Pilol episodes, all you have to do is subscribe right here to this channel. From a beautiful day here on the Spanish Sea, all that's left for me to say is fair winds and always keep an eye on the weather.